Alright, heading up with my dad up Opeongo. Going to take the easy way though. Going to take his boat, tow a canoe. Right now it's a little bit cloudy with a bit of wind, but hoping to have a good trip. Just 2 nights, just to have a good time. It's supposed to be nice and sunny tomorrow. Looking forward to it. The goal of this trip was to relax and enjoy the scenery with my father, who taught me most of the skills I use today for all my adventures. We've made it to site. Did a quick setup already. Nice cooking area, lots of shelving at least, tables to work off of. Nice flat spot for the tent, and decent fire pit and sitting area. So this is the the east arm, sorry, of Opeongo. And we're just up and around a big landform in front of you there. That's Opeongo Island. It's the biggest island in this section. And there's a couple other sites. You might see a bit of blue through the trees there. There's another bunch of people camping. But otherwise, a nice beach. Good for swimming when we go tomorrow. Extra amount of grills for us to cook on. Very nice site so far. Mustard? Well, adventures with boating. Shear pin broke halfway up Annie's Bay. At least we had a spare, or three. It's the old stone monument here. There used to be a plaque on this side. Unfortunately, it's gone. And I can't remember what it was for. Back here, there's a foundation. And somebody's put a campfire in the middle of it, but I believe the plaque has something to do with the foundation. I'm not sure if it was a farm or some sort of a ranger station. I don't know. But there's several campsites. There's one just over here, and on the other side in that direction there's another campsite. There's a couple right along here for all the people who, if you're coming out of Dixon Bonfield, it basically takes a day, or it can take a day, especially if you do double carry. So this is a good spot to start and stop from for that long portage. Just doing a hike along the Opeongo to Bonfield portage. Not going to do it with the boat. It's a bit heavy. This is an old logging road that is supposed to have been, could be used as an alternate to get to Dixon, about 8 or 10 kilometers, but not now, or at least I wouldn't want to chance it. This is Bonfield Lake. Around the corner, you can't see it unfortunately, is the infamous Dixon to Bonfield. Longest portage in the park, 5.3 kilometers, so 5.4 kilometers, so 4 miles roughly. So apparently fairly flat, but still not one I'm looking to do anytime soon. Pretty little lake though. trying to figure out why all these are dead. Doesn't look like cormorants' nests or anything like that. But it's just along this one point. What we did just notice is there's at least one stump that is fire damaged. Yeah. Okay, so, and there's fireweed growing. So likely there's a fire then. We're in island time now. Pre-dinner cocktail. Beautiful day. For the last night, evening paddle. My life jacket's right at my feet, by the way. But gonna troll for bass for a little bit, and troll for some trout. Probably won't get anything, but still a beautiful night out to paddle. So haven't done much fishing on this trip. We were down in Annie's Bay at the dam or above it. So you can't fish right at it. You have to be 100 meters above, 300 below. It's their way of trying to prevent any invasive species getting transferred between water bodies. Anyway, beautiful night. My dad's already been out for a paddle. It's my turn. See if I catch anything. Or I had bottom. I can't really tell. I think it was bottom. Yeah, I think I'm pulling up a whole bunch of weeds. Nope. I got a little lake trout. Awesome. I'm not going to keep anything, but if he just spit the hook, which I think he did. Awesome. Yeah, he spit the hook, so. Ooh. Oh, slime everywhere. He doesn't want to get out. Put him back though. Oh. There you go. Success, not skunked.